Continue.
Hi my dear friends, I am Pradiksha from 4th E. Friends, this is a fabulous day to go with an amazing experiment that is the reversing arrow. What? What does it mean? Are you in that confused state? Okay friends, no more waiting. Let's get started. My dear friends, a small request to you. Can you do the experiment reversing arrow with me? Yes, let's start. To do this, the following things we need. Transparent glass, marker, I am going with marker, you can go with pen or pencil, water and piece of paper. These things are easily available in our home. And friends, be careful while handling the glass. Next, just 3 steps. Step 1. Draw an arrow using the marker on the piece of paper. Friends, make sure the arrow is not wider than the glass.